Hello loves, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes and we are back. Today we're going to be kicking off our tour in Algorfa. This is a beautiful traditional Spanish town located in the south of the Costa Blanca. We're going to be featuring today newly built apartments. And can you imagine a little holiday getaway for you and your family, or maybe even a second home? Even possibly potentially a great investment. We're right here in La Finca Resort, and this beautiful resort will be the backdrop of where we'll be showing you the home. So the apartments feature 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. They are 100 square meters, and they also have their own private garden on the lower floor or their very own private solarium on the top floor. So whilst all these golfers are getting sweaty, let's begin the tour. Coming in through the front door of the home, it immediately brings you into the entry of what is your open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Altogether this space offers you 27 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.6 meters. Right here next to your security door for ease and comfort, you also have your intercom system and your alarm system. It brings you into what I am now overlooking, which is your kitchen, which is mostly on one side for ease and for comfort. You find that it has plenty of countertop space, storage cabinetry above and below. In the corner you have the kitchen sink. Right next to that you also have your dishwasher. With more cabinetry above and below, you also have your cooker with your extractor. And then on this side, you also have the oven and the microwave. The hidden built-in would be your refrigerator and your freezer. What's really nice is it gives you a lovely colour palette throughout the home, where you have the monochromatic colours of black and white, but then you also have the warm tones that it's giving you with the flooring that they have decided to incorporate within the design. And so now I'm going to take you into the dining space, which is a dining space set to dine for. And then it brings you into a cosy and intimate, really lovely positioned living room area. What I like about the living room area is it does feel really inviting, but it also does have the large patio doors that open and give you direct access to an outdoor living space as well that can be quite easily part of it. This is great if you're wanting to soak up some of the warm climate and also be able to have access to everything on this floor. Now I'm taking you back through, so we're going through the living room area, past the dining space, and now I'm going to take you to the evening quarters of the home. On this side you will find that you have your bedrooms and also bathrooms. Taking you to the main bathroom, it is fully equipped, light and bright, and I like the warm palette that they have gone for with the tiles. It directly over the hall leads to your first bedroom. This bedroom has a similar feel. It is 10 square meters. On one side you have your integrated wardrobes, and on the other side patio doors that open and give you access to the same terrace. Taking you now from the first bedroom back into the hall. And I'm now going to show you the primary suite, which is located at the end of the hall. The primary suite offers you 16 square meters and a similar feel. It has a lovely space at each area where you can sleep for your bed. It also gives you a wall here of your integrated wardrobes, and I really like that they've even gone with specifications that enable you to have decent fixtures inside your wardrobes. What's great as well is that the primary also has access to its own ensuite bathroom that you will see is fully equipped. And so the modern specifications with the home don't end there. You will find for day to day you have air filtration system, you also have pre-installation for hot and cold air conditioning. You do find that the apartments come with exterior electric shutters and also interior blinds. Taking you now into the patio space. I'm now going to take you to what I think really gives this an extra little bit of more with the outdoor living space. So, as we are in the upper floor model of the apartments that they offer within this residential, I'm now going to show you the solarium. So taking you up the stairs. And what's fantastic about the solariums that are on offer is they offer you an additional 67 square meters of outdoor living space. Not only a wonderful opportunity to soak up that lovely climate, experience this great weather, but also have all of this space for outdoor entertaining. Let's say you wanted to have a jacuzzi, you've already got installed an outdoor shower and also a storage room. But let's say, why stop there? If you wanted to, you could have an outdoor summer kitchen or more. It'd be wonderful. What I like about these particular solarium is that you get the greatest panoramic views of where we're located. On one side you can see the Finca Golf resort, which is a 5-star 18-hole resort, but then you also get to see the rolling hills and nature, as well as, well, how can I put it, kilometers and kilometers of orange groves. So what's wonderful about the Finca Golf, you're probably asking? Well, this is a fantastic golf course with a 5-star hotel on site and a wealth of other things too. You have gastronomy with the restaurants, you also have a spa, and well, these people, when they're not zipping around in these wonderful buggies, are enjoying a 72 par course to spend their days and their afternoons all outdoors. What's really nice about it is it's got a lovely relaxing environment, and you find that it actually covers an incredible amount of space right here within the course. You can see for kilometers around. You have outdoor paddle courts, you also have lots of other recreational sports you can do, and it even has its own golf shop for you to buy the equipment that you might need whilst you are here. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is approximately €300 per year. The community fee is €120 per month, and the refuse is €180 per year. The thing that this actually offers is not just the proximity of everything that you need as a property, in terms of having things to do, services, access to other towns and cities, but it is actually one of those places that you feel a real sense of peace and serenity, whether you decide to be here for a short time or even for a long time. What I really like about the apartments here in Algorfa in La Finca is you have a wealth of things to do, whether it be day or night, whether you are active or not so active. You have the beautiful city of Torrevieja not too far away, the beaches of Guardamar del Segura, which is within 15 minutes drive. You also have access to Alicante Airport, which is 35 minutes away. What's really lovely as well is that you have connectivity to both the region of Murcia and also within the province of Alicante. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Obviously your likes and your alerts do help us boost our channel and keep producing great content for you to view. And no doubt I will see you next time. Hasta pronto!